this week I want us to clean up my room because the flood that happened last week, I wasn't able to clean up my room very well. So let's arrange my wardrobe, and then I'm going to show you how my room looks like currently and the finish touches. So guys, this is the state of my wardrobe as at now. Don't judge me. My closet, everything, like I want to rearrange everything. I think let me go back for you guys to see. So this is how my wardrobe is looking like as at now in my room. My bed. This is how it's looking like. This is the state of my room. So I want to do a thorough cleanup, and then I want to put things in order. So let's get into it. Guys, I want to remove all my things from the wardrobe, and then I'll rearrange it with you guys. Yes, so I have to get a bowl, and then or I'll just take everything and put it on my bed, and then I arrange it. So guys, as you can see, I'm done folding everything, and this is what we have here right now. So let me quickly arrange them on inside the wardrobe. So guys, this is what we have right now. is so empty. So that means I have to remove part of my dress, that some of the dresses that were left in my suitcase, and then add it up there. And then let's go back to the second part.
A few moments later.
I wish it took you long to get back to me. It's all that lies that you need, and all that lies that you miss. I wish suddenly I wish I could breathe on a Sunday. Suddenly I wish, suddenly I'm so delusional, but it makes it sound like. Suddenly I wish, suddenly
this song must be played on my wedding day.
Hey, the first time you said that you love me, then you're gonna be there for me. You should have seen my face. You should have seen my face. Forget about them. Nobody will feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh. Forget about them. Nobody will feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, yeah. If it's something that you want, you can make me your man. If it's something that you need, baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, you can make me your man. If it's something that you need, baby, come and share my world. So me don't share, about some man, so me don't share. And my hooking you up and more. Baby, just say, baby, that's it, yeah. So me don't share. Ọba sì máa tún mí dọ̀ṣẹ́ ẹ máa bí mú ẹ̀bẹ̀ mú ẹ̀ kàrà mi fẹsẹ̀ ní èmi dẹ́sí tí ẹ̀ hàn ní o ẹ̀ ń tí ẹ̀ ní alẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ kan bí ẹ̀ o nà wà á nà mí dọ̀wọ̀ bèbí nà mí dọ̀wọ̀ bèbí. Forget about them, nobody will feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh. Forget about them, nobody will feel love you like I do. Ooh, I do, ooh, yeah. If it's something that you want, you can make me your man. If it's something that you need, baby, come and share my world. I'm gonna drink.
Back from the lab, and then I wanted to rant something about why some Ghanaian sellers, I don't know why, but when you're going to buy something, they will look into your face and then they will use your face to tell you the price of something, right? So yesterday night I was craving for mashki, and I wanted to go and buy the fancy kinky. So I went to the shop and then I was like, please, I want to buy fancy kinky. And then she looked straight into my eyes to tell me that the fancy kinky is 10 cedis. It's 10 cedis. One fancy kinky is 10 cedis. And then I was like, in my area it's 5 cedis over there. By that time it was late, so the woman at my area, she closes very early. And I was like, my area is 5 cedis, and oh, she buys it at 5 cedis in town, lorry fare and all of that. I was like, so why would you add such a like plenty amount on it? It doesn't make sense. And then I told her that it's not like I can purchase the 10 cedis, so I can buy it, but you can't look into my face and use my appearance to give me the price of something, right? And then fast forward last semester, my best friend who wanted to go and get a hair wash at a salon. When we entered the salon, the woman just watched our dressing, and then we asked of the price of the wash, and she watched into our eyes and told us that it's 30 cedis. Meanwhile, it's 15 cedis she's been charging for washing. And then one of her apprentices came, and then she was like, the apprentice was like, her too, she wants to wash her hair, but she only has 15 cedis. She said, oh, don't worry, you can bring it. But as I don't know why the sellers are all over the place, and then they use our appearance to bill as when we are buying a product, right? Like, let it make sense. It's so crazy. You can't use my appearance to give me the price of something I want to buy, right? That's the reason why I don't know, but it's been haunting me for days, and I wanted to just come and rant it over here for you guys to hear, because it's I'm not even a popular person in Pune. So yeah, that's basically it, and I'm coming to have rock bands and coke for breakfast. Yeah, I'm very hungry. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.